Hey guys, I'm going to run over this max patch I made called the P2MM. It's a polyphonic to multiple monophonic signal dispersion generator, I suppose you could call it. So let's see, just select my keyboard here and then select out from max 2, and each voice will come in on the channels accordingly. So let's see. Alright, it's working. Cool. So I have set it up so that this is just listening to the keyboard itself, and then these are listening from max 2, and the patch is sending on max 2, and yeah, each channel comes in from each individual voice. So, and another thing that you'll notice is that the control change data actually shows up on across all of these different tracks. So just show the whole pedal there, and it's the same. So let me quickly run over how I did that in Max. So this the MIDI in object goes through this patch, which takes care of all the business, and then goes out to the MIDI out object. You can kind of ignore all this. That's for a separate part of the project. So in here, in this subpatch, the MIDI input goes through MIDI parse, and eventually I'll make it all work a little bit better with Borax, but the notes are handled with the poly object, and the poly object then routes each note to a different channel by I'm just taking the index of each new note and matching it to a new channel. And then you'll notice here on the control change out of MIDI parse, I'm setting this guy, and so you can do mod wheel, volume changes, sustain pedal, and it's going to bang those messages out on all the channels. So hopefully that makes sense to some extent.